Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes,
okay, guys. Have you gained consciousness, guys?
Hey, that's a
Have you
good
gained
question.
consciousness, guys?
That's a good question.
'Cause
Guys,
really,
yeah, we can talk buy silver, buy gold, buy crypto, buy everything. But the question is, are you awake or are you asleep? Do you know what's happening around the world?
Exactly. Because I think that will motivate you.
Yeah.
If you have not gained consciousness, it's pointless for us to talk about buying silver, buy that, buy crypto,
buying the deep
stock. It's really pointless, guys. People need to gain consciousness first.
Yes.
And be aware of what's going on around the world, guys, because there are still those people that we find that they are still sleeping, that they have not gained consciousness as yet. So that's the reason why we say we are asking, have you gained consciousness? Because if you have, you will see the importance of silver.
Yes.
You would really see the importance of silver. Yes.
Humanity.
Yes, guys. Because really, people are more focused on technology now. People are becoming cyborgs. Really.
Yeah, it's really like frustrating at the same time because the world is changing.
It is. It is really changing. We don't mind technology, guys, but not to be so attached to technology in such a way we forget who we really are. Because really, we are so attached, we're forgetting our DNA. Who are we?
Yeah,
we just want to do everything with technology. Become. Oh, I thought you wanted to say something.
No.
Our DNA just turned, became technologically. Even stuff that we can do without technology, we will want to do it using technology, guys.
We want an easy way.
We are really not being critics about technology. Technology is good at some point, but guys,
and the sad part, even our families are not. We're not thinking of this, even if we are on the same family. But we don't thinkings are different.
Our thinkings are different.
If you tell them that there's an opportunity when you buy silver, and they were like, you're wasting their time.
Exactly. That's why we just.
The mindset is not changed. It's different than ours.
As such always says, birds of the same feather fly together. That's really true. Such awesome channel, guys. It gives awareness. 271. Yeah, it gives awareness, guys. Like we're really trying to get people to staking. We'll do all these videos because really by the time they wake up, it will be too late.
Yes.
It will be too late. And the reason we talk about families is because we have noticed that with our families, whenever we try to tell them, hi, guys, wait, now listen, wake up. Things are really turning.
Tables are turning.
Prep, do that. They don't want to do it.
They say no. They still think that everything will go back to normal.
Yes.
Things are starting to go back to normal. Yes. So there's nothing wrong. We just like wasting their time.
Yeah, guys. You know these coins.
And the fuel, petrol.
The petrol is gone drastically. It's expensive. And people here in South Africa, they feel that it's just South Africa that's experiencing this petrol hike. They're saying, no, it's that, it's the government, it's that. They don't know this was a pandemic long ago. They're just failing to understand that.
That's why we say, let's just make this video first and carry on with our normal videos, like buy silver, buy gold, because we need to be awake. We need to tell people to be awake.
Be awake first.
Gain consciousness.
Be awake first. That's the main thing.
Don't fear. And fear can make you like think, not thinking straight. When you are in fear, you won't think straight.
And people I'll use the phrase avatar. Avatar, because we are I know the movie, but the movie will really describe when we talk of an avatar what you're talking about. people are moving from their avatar that they've been living in for I don't know, since their birth.
Yeah.
They're moving from that avatar to an avatar called technology, of which is like really not amusing. I really don't like that.
Yeah.
People, even if a small thing,
Yeah.
they don't want to do it the old-fashioned way, the human way. They want to do everything with technology. Guys, technology, don't hear me wrong. There's nothing wrong with technology. Nothing wrong with technology. In fact, our profession is technology. So, in fact, so don't hear me wrong. Don't get us wrong.
Yeah.
We understand technology. Technology has its place and time. You know, and there's a phase that says when you are abusing something,
and you become an addict.
So we use it wisely.
Yeah.
Use it wisely, and I hear people that are saying that we are going to be distinct like dinosaurs.
Of course not.
No, I don't think so.
We are the one who will do it ourselves by forgetting what makes us human.
They point everything to nature and say nature is gonna make us distinct. The climate change, the carbon dioxide, and all that. No, it's us ourselves that are gonna make ourselves distinct. Like dinosaurs, because we'll be moving over to technology, guys. I don't know whether you know about this thing metaverse. Metaverse. That is why I refer to an avatar.
Yes.
That there's this technology called metaverse. If you're not aware of, research it and find out about it. Yes. The metaverse, you can visit us here in South Africa without traveling, going onto a plane, anything. So that is technology that is taking away the things we do like a human way. When I refer to a human way, where you go into a plane, fly, go physically meet a person, not over technology. Exactly. And people are so fascinated about that. So that is why I say it's us that are gonna make us distinct. Because once we start using this technology,
using that one,
we will never go back. We will never go back. There will be once thing called human. People will say there was once a thing called human. Like we were saying, there was once a thing called a dinosaur. So nature will not make us distinct.
Because we did say in our past videos that AI are coming. They are coming by full force.
They are coming, guys.
Full force.
They are coming.
So
they are part.
If we're letting that technology, we're gonna fast track the process.
Of the AI. Yeah, they are coming really fast, guys, and we need to pull up our socks. Guys, we really do. And this technology, the funny thing is that it needs our let me just show it what it needs. That's there and this one. It needs silver, guys, more than anything. And not forgetting copper as well. It needs copper, silver and copper as well. So
what will depend on the price when the technology is like,
I tell you, that's the time we will all be laughing
and drinking that juice with the
with those small umbrellas, relaxed by the beach. Yes, guys. But it's at the end of the day, it's a person that has to make a choice whether they want to live a real life or the metaverse life.
Exactly.
At the end of the day, that's where it bounds down.
People's decision, people's choice, how you want your family to live.
And have you ever asked yourself why YouTube promotes those videos? The algorithm really promote those videos that of people that are living normal, like everything is fine, nothing wrong with the world, everything. They take selfies, drinking those juice that I was talking about, those small umbrellas by the beach. Why YouTube promote those videos and not videos like this with the message on them? Why? Have you ever asked yourself? Please leave it on a comment below. Why is that happening?
We don't know also.
We don't know. We don't know.
Yeah.
Every time, all we ask for is for people not to fear.
Yeah.
People need not to fear. If you feel that you are starting to fear, just buy silver. Please, just buy silver.
As much
maybe
as you can.
that we will chase away the fear.
Mm.
Maybe. We're not saying it will. Maybe. Just buy silver.
Yeah.
If you're feeling that you experiencing
the
fear, just buy silver. Just buy silver and see what happens after that.
That's true.
Yes, because it's a store of value.
Hey,
This is a store of value. I tell you guys, fiat has. I don't even know what to say about fiat. But fiat, compared to this, it's nothing. It's really nothing.
We're not financial advisors.
Oh yes, that's true. Do your own due diligence, guys.
We're just talking on the internet.
Yeah, people just need to, at some point, just need to disconnect from the cities.
Yeah.
Disconnect from the cities, and maybe if you do that, maybe I'm just saying maybe.
Gain your consciousness.
You gain your consciousness and find yourself. Because once you're still around the technology, you will continue using the technology. It has implanted in you. So it makes things easier. We understand, but we need not to forget who we really are.
That's true.
We are humans. We
are
humans, and don't get distracted by those videos on TikTok, those dancing videos. They're just there for distraction. Just to distract you and make you feel that everything is still a-okay. Yeah, guys, please. So at the end of the day,
it's really tough.
It's tough. But buy silver,
gold,
buy gold. I just don't have a can of food yet. I would have shown it as well. Because those are important. Just prepare, buy all those things. Guys,
they will help you.
At the end of the day.
Time it's really tough.
Yeah, I know people have been watching that on the background. Let me just bring it closer. Yeah.
Our favorite coins.
These are really our favorite coins. They really are our favorite coins. Also come with the certificate of authenticity there at the back, and this is another one.
Beautiful.
Really is beautiful. Really is. You see that moon?
Moon there. Are you going to the moon?
We have to be multi-planet species. We need to go everywhere.
And big shout out to the other constitutional courts for our friends.
From our friends. Without our friends, we would not be having these constitutional coins. These were all gifts from our friends from abroad. So we really appreciate.
You watch the mail call videos.
You will see where all these coins come from. Yeah, we do mail calls.
Big shout outs.
Big shout out to all our friends, guys, and thank you so much for showing us these coins. They are so beautiful. we always see them on videos and all that, but the time you hold it like this, you will know how beautiful it is. You will feel that you're holding money. And this one,
that's true,
belongs to
Melstack.
The Melstack will always be in our heart, guys. We love this guy.
Our friend.
Dear from friend. Day one.
He was with us.
From day one. Melstack, shout out to you, my friend. You will always be in our heart.
That's true.
So this coin came from him.
Yeah.
You will also see on the mail call, we're not lying. Yes, guys. Okay, but today's video was just about that.
Gain your consciousness.
Gain your consciousness, guys. Buy silver and gold, and
you will be awake.
I think so as well. Okay, we're not financial advice.
No.
Just to be clear.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.